Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How are you doing today? Well, we're doing another hired request. Been doing hired requests for 18 years. That's what's built the library on the website. So if you've ever wondered why there's so many great songs, unique arrangements, that's because all of you guys are the ones who've built the library. So thankful for that. But this is I Love You Because by Jim Reeves. It's a piano, kind of a country sounding arrangement. If you love country piano, country music, this is going to be great for you. Let me dive into it here and we'll learn some of it. All right, so you have, let's see, I haven't played it yet, so I'm going to learn it here with you. All right, I missed a lot of notes there. I'm going to fix them as we learn it here. But I love learning it as we're doing it because, one, it saves time for me. But the most important thing is that I teach you better, because if I'm having to learn it while you do it, while I'm teaching it to you, then I remember things to help new people do it. And that's the thing is I have to be able to be a good teacher, right? It's not enough to push the right button at the right time. There's so much other things that go into playing a piece well and having fun with it. And so that's what I try to open up to you guys. Well, if you're a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this. There's a lot of sheets, a lot of good country piano playing. Not that hard. There's some things you got to get used to, but once you get used to that technique, then the rest of it is just going to be so easy. And thank you, Lacey, so much. She's the sweetest, kindest person I've ever met. And she loves playing country music, and I love getting more country on the site. So, yeah, I was a little slow getting this up, Lacey, but now here it is, and I have your others I'm working on as well. But we're going to get into this, so let's go. All right, so we are in swing. So da 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 is the beat. It's not 1 and 2, and it's da 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 da. So get that feel in your brain and your mind. Okay, and the first part. Da da da. You feel that beat? Okay, so it might just help you to go da 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 da. Just play an F chord and get used to that beat. All right, but here's the thing: the left hand is the key to this. The left hand is the foundation, the director of it all. So if you're having trouble playing it, it's probably because that left hand is not solid. Okay, lots of left hand alone is going to help you on this, on your practice. F, we go to A, C, then C, then an A, C. So normally people would, play a whole chord, but this is just the two notes, and it gives a certain sound rather than not playing the whole chord that I like. So work on that. And when you go to it, just go to it, guys. Don't try to, oh, where is it? You got to land it. You got to know where it is, so you got to just go for it. Don't prepare, my teacher used to say. My teacher, who is 3 down or 4 down from Bartok. He was pretty tough. Pretty tough line of piano teachers there. But I learned a lot. All right, so you can hold the pedal, and you have a little bit of a circle when you travel. When you travel there. See, this is stuff you don't get in the little falling blocks of the piano synthesia. The human part of playing. So you have to have a little bit of when you travel over there, a little bit of a semicircle. Think whenever you go, there's a semicircle drawn on your traveling distance. Okay? All right, so the right hand is an F and a C to start. F, A, C, F. All right, so it goes. Now, when you're practicing, you're going to do something that you're going to do all the way through this, and that is you're going to take a small part that you can do. For some people, that's one measure. That's okay. Left hand alone, several times, 2, 3, sometimes 7. Right hand alone. Put them together. Work on it. And if you're, this is kind of hard for you, it may take you a whole day just to do one measure. That's okay. Okay, you need somebody to tell you that that's okay to do one measure in a day, because you're going to do another measure the next day, and you're going to find, oh, now I can do 2 measures a day. Now I can do 4 measures a day. One measure is okay. Work on that first measure till you can give yourself a passing grade, okay? 70, by the skin of your teeth. Then you can go on to the next measure. But take take one little small part that you can do so you can have success. You need to feel like you're successful, and you need to be successful with that one measure. And then we'll learn another measure, and then we'll put them together. We'll assemble them. Then we'll tackle the third measure and tack that on the end, okay? That's the learning process. If you don't know how to practice, I don't care how talented you are, you're going to fail. You've got to practice in a system that's going to work. So let's assume you did that. You learned that first measure. Now we're ready for the second one. All right, so look at the left hand. It's going to be, and you can hit the pause on your video. Did you know that? Okay, if you, oh, he's going too fast. No, he's not. Hit the pause button, okay? Pause it and wait. Then I'm here when you come back. Okay, so F on the left hand, A, C, F, A, C again. So it's a lot like this measure, but he just, okay? It's not the same every time. The player here changes it up. Right hand, C, A, B flat, G, A, F, then a B flat. It's a sixth, descending sixth passage. I'm going to go 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2. Okay, now what do? I learned two measures. Now I'll put them together. Okay, and you repeat that also. You repeated your hands separately, and then you repeated them together, and then you repeated the next measure. Now you repeat the idea of playing two measures. Do that, and you're probably done for the day if you're just beginning this, okay? You're done for today, and then you move on, and I'm here when you come back. Let's do measure 3. All right, so left hand's going to go B flat, and then B flat D, then a low B flat. It's way down there. Here's the thing. If you have trouble getting way down there and it's just bumming you out, then just play this B flat. Simplify wherever you can. Change it to make it a little easier for you. But if you want to do the other B flat, you can. Then D, F, B flat. But the key is get there, don't prepare. Just go. Get there, don't prepare. Now, there's going to be somebody that copies that who has millions of views because they watch my stuff and they copy the stuff I say. And, I'm far less successful on views, but that's all right as long as the word is getting out. Okay? So don't get there, don't prepare. See? It's different than this. Don't be up in the air trying to find. You got to go look at it and then go. Okay? When a squirrel is jumping from one place to another, they lock their eye on that next place and then they go. That's how you're going to do. Lock on it and then go. Don't get up in the air and then go, where am I going to go? Find it first and then go. A little thing that if you'll get, it'll be tremendous for you. Right hand, D, D, F, D, F, D. I'm up there, so I'm having. Okay, then I'm going to tie those measures together. I missed the note right there. Da-da-da-da. All right, next measure. I'm going to go F, then D, F, B flat. Then I'm going to play it one more time. So there's a weight right there. After you go D, F, D, and it's quick. And I'll let my wrist move. See that? In a little circle. It's easier to do it that way than to just be static and rigid. And it's hard to do it that way. Loosen up. Let your joints go where they already want to go. F to B flat, then D, F, and then ba ba ba, B flat, F, D. My little bracket there is reminding me that it's a triplet. That's why I put that. Left hand's, again, the same chord, the B flat chord. So if I start on the roll up on the D, F, D, dig it down, ba 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 ba, again. Let's go from the first line now, first measure. See how much better I did that than I did the first time now? All right, I think I'm going to let that because this part one is long enough already, I think. And you can see what we're doing. Guys, we go through the whole thing. There's many pages to this, many pages. There'll be many lessons, and I'll go through every step for you. I hope you enjoyed this part one lesson. It's only $20 a month, and you can cancel anytime. You can download the sheets. It's a great site. People have been using it for almost 2 decades, and it's just a wonderful thing for me and everyone out there who's learning piano. Talk to you guys later.